I'm going to be showing you how to clean out a screen that we just finished some water-based printing in. Now during a water-based print run, you're going to want to keep your print area flooded. So when I came around to the last one, I'll just kind of show you here. During the run, you're going to keep it flooded, the image covered. When you get to your last print, you're going to want to print it just to kind of clear out that image as much as possible. But don't flood it anymore because we're finished, we're through. So we're going to take that. Now what I'm going to do is just going to get, just like any other kind of plastisol print or water-based, I'm going to get the excess out of here. Now for this run we were using some high solid acrylic, some HSA ink. So it's a little thicker than most water-based ink, than the low solids water-based ink. So we're gonna get that out of there as much as we can. Then we're gonna take your water, and we just have some by the press labeled H2O, you know, water. I'm gonna spray down all our areas with the ink on it. And just like any other print, we're gonna wipe up as much as we can. Just gonna clean off my squeegee. Now I also have a bucket of water nearby the press. If I can't get to my squeegee right away, or if I'm gonna be running something shortly after, I'll just kind of drop it in there. We kind of coat ours so water doesn't soak in too much. You wanna put some resist on there. But yeah, you clean it out, top and bottom, just like you would a plastisol print. So we got that. Now some areas taped off here. So when I'm finished with a water-based print, you want to get to reclaim fairly soon if you clean it out really well. We've had some pretty good luck with not having a lot of ink being stuck in the screen. Just because we take care of things along the way as much as we can. But for here, what I like to do while it's locked in press, you know, we got it back here, I just take off my tape here to save yourself a step without any support in the back. So that just kind of helps. If I know I'm finished with the screen, I've already printed what's on the flip. Just gonna take off my tape now. You know, all the crop marks and everything. Just get all that. And when I do that, I always fold the edges of the tape so it's really easy to grab. But after I'm done with that, I could take this straight over and rinse it out again with the hose to make sure we get more of this water-based ink out of there. And that just kind of helps keep our screens clean and, you know, the shot flowing. So that's ready to go.